Hello, good day. Now we'll try to solve the derivative of the following trigonometric functions. First, y equals x squared minus sine x. Let's get the derivative. That's y prime equals, baba lang natin yung 2, and then x, that's 2x. And take note that the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x, and that's the function of y, and that's y prime. Therefore, that's minus cosine x, and that's the derivative of y. Next, y equals e raised to x sine x. Two functions, therefore pwede tayo mag-product rule. Then, this is your u, e raised to x. And then, u prime equals e raised to x. And then, v equals sine x. And then, the derivative of v, that's v prime, equal to cosine x. Take note that e raised to x, derivative niya ay e raised to x din. So try to input to the product rule y prime equals u v prime plus v, and then u prime. Then let's simplify. Okay, we have 2e raised to x. That's e raised to x. Labas natin yan. And then matitira sa loob, sine. Ay, sorry. Ayusin lang natin. That's cosine x plus sine x. Anyways, kahit ano man ang mauna doon, same pa rin naman yung makukuha ang sagot. And also, tama yan. Okay? Next problem. Y is equal to sine x over x. Take note that this is in quotient. Sine x as your numerator and x as your denominator. We can cancel out both x's. Okay. I'll be sad if you will going to cancel both x's. So that's the high and that's the low. We use quotient rule for finding the derivative of y. Low derivative of high minus high times the derivative of low all over low squared. Y prime equal to x cosine x minus sine x all over x squared. Therefore, that is the derivative of y equals sine x over x. Again, don't cancel that x's because that's the angle for the trigonometric function. Next, y equals 5e raised to x plus cosine x. That's a constant multiple rule. 5e raised to x. Then take note that the derivative of cosine x from our previous video, that's negative sine x. And that's it. Y prime equals 5e raised to x minus sine x. Next problem. Y equals sine x cosine x. Again, we have two functions and then multiplying. We can use product rule. U, that's sine x, u prime, that's cosine x, and then v cosine x, and then v prime is equal to negative sine x. That's u product rule, v prime plus v u, that's v, and then u prime. Then let's simplify. Negative sine squared x plus cosine squared x. Y prime, ayusin lang natin. Positive yun nasa unahan. Cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Actually, it has another form, another answer, but that's for our next lesson. Next problem. Y equals cosine x over 1 minus sine x. Again, this is our low and that's our high. Low, 1 minus sine x, and then the derivative of high, negative sine x minus high, then the derivative of low, 0 minus cosine x all over our law squared. And then let's simplify. Y prime equals, let's multiply negative sine x to 1 minus sine x. We get a result of, that's negative sine x plus sine squared x minus 0, then plus cosine squared x all over 1 minus sine x, that's quantity, squared. And then notice that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. That is a trigonometric identity, Pythagorean trigonometric identity. So therefore, that's 1. Let's simplify further. Y prime equals 1 minus sine square or sine x, 1 all over 1 minus sine x, then quantity squared. We can further simplify this equation, then same base but different exponent. Natitira sa taas, that's 1, and then matitira sa ilalim, 1 minus sine x. So, we can cancel 1 minus sine x sa taas, and then isang 1 minus sine x sa baba. Therefore, that is your answer. Next problem. We have y equals cotangent of x over 1 plus cotangent of x. Again, we can use quotient rule. That is our law. and that is our high. Y prime equal to law, copy only the law, and then the derivative of high. What's the derivative of cotangent x? Okay, that's negative cosecant squared x. Take note that cotangent x, the derivative of that is negative cosecant squared x. So, balikan nyo na lang yung video para mas ma-recall ninyo, class. Minus high cotangent x, derivative ng law. That's 0. Then, minus cosecant squared x all over. That's 1 plus cotangent x squared. Let's simplify further. That's negative cosecant squared x minus cosecant squared x cotangent x and minus 0. Then negative times negative, that's positive cosecant squared x cotangent x all over 1 plus cotangent x quantity squared. And then let's simplify. Take note, or you may notice this expression. Yung isa ay negative, yung isa ay positive. Therefore, 0 sila. And then yung matitira, therefore, that's y prime equals negative cosecant squared x all over 1 plus cotangent x and then quantity squared.